From Doubt to Triumph, David's soccer story. David watched the field aglow with dreams as big as winds that blow. He whispered softly, "That could be me," but doubt was all he could even see. He kicked, he tripped, he hit the ground. His hope was lost when he heard the sound. Then, his eyes welled up, his spirit soar. "I can't," he said, "I'll try no more." But then, he stood up with all his might. "The hard work, there is no end in sight," he said. "If I want to win, the work I need to do. In winners, those who give up are few." His parents cheered, their voices alight. "Keep going, son, you're winning the fight." Long hours practicing, it felt so hard. David said, "I can't." Coach said, "You can't yet, but you will see that yet holds all you're meant to be." His friends cheered him on. "You can do it, we believe in you." He tightened his laces and knew he'd push through. He fell again, his knees both bruised, but in his heart a spark was fused. He thought of every stumble past. Each time he thought it was the last. Every bruise and every tear has brought his dream a little near. So David stood up and kicked some more, each kick stronger than ever before. Rain or shine, he didn't quit. Every kick grit by grit. Because David worked hard, he tried and grew. He learned what every dreamer knew. With every fall and tear he shed, he built more heart that pushed him ahead. Dreams come true when work is tough, and champions rise by never giving up.
Confucius once said, "Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall." Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to join our Inspiration Kids Club so you don't miss out on many more awesome inspirational videos.